Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Well, today's video is a very special video because it's my birthday special video and also the very first book haul on my channel. But this is not the unboxing video because I have already unboxed the books out of excitement. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Also, all these books have been brought from Amazon at a quite cheaper rate, excluding one. So the first book that I will be talking about is Stand By Me by Sudeep Nagarkar. Well, I haven't read any books of him, though it's written that it is from the best-selling author of The Secrets We Keep. So it's a very small book of only 200 pages, and I think that I'll take only maybe 2 hours to complete this book, or maybe less, if I find it very interesting. Well, the blurb says that there was a girl called Ruhi who was murdered on the eve of her birthday, but even after she was murdered, everyone will think that his brother has gone mad because he thinks that she was murdered, but it was not a suicide, and henceforth the story. So I think that I'll definitely enjoy reading this book. So the second one is Mahashweta by Sudha Murthy. Now, I have read a lot of books of this author and I have loved each and every one of them. Now, I have specifically liked this book because of the cover. It's so glossy, and also because of the cover picture. And moreover, the blurb interested me because it says that it's a story about a woman who got married, and after that she discovered that she is having leukoderma, and she was humiliated by her in-laws and also by her husband, and therefore she regained the control of her life. And how she did that, it is the story. The book is about that, and I think that I will definitely enjoy reading this one too. It's a very small book of about only 154 pages long. So yeah, so that's the second book. Now coming to the third one is Sophie Kinsella's My Not So Perfect Life. Now this is a fat one of about, let me guess, I'm so sorry, yeah, it's 425 or 430 pages long. Also, I haven't read any books from this author, and I got interested of reading this book because I think that I heard it from the channel Heli. And this is a hilarious story of a woman whose Instagram life looks very much different from the real life, which is actually the truth in this world. So I think that I'll just laugh my heads off with this book. So the next one is again another thriller, A Rising Man by Abir Mukherjee. This is so bright cover. I just love this cover. Also, this is a historical fiction, another favorite forte of mine, and this is a story about that is set in 1919 in India, and there is a horrifying murder which took place, and this murder mystery will be cracked by Captain Sam Wingham, who arrives to take up an important post in Calcutta's police force. So there are 2 more books in this series, so if I like this one, I'll definitely review this book on my channel, and also the other 2 books in the same series. Now the next book is a travelogue. It's Road to Mekong by Pia Bahadur. Now this is the story of 4 women who is traveling on their motorbikes to 6 countries, that is 17,000 kilometers. That is quite an adventure of a lifetime. Now, although I don't know how to ride a bike, but I am definitely looking forward for solo traveling, because that's one of my dreams, that I can start traveling on my own. And so that's why I think that this travelogues and travel memoirs and all sorts of travel books, they are filled with so much of information that I just try to take in, and they are not only words that just spin out of the author's pen, but they are experiences. And I think that when someone experiences something and shares it, then it becomes much more easier for the other people to follow or to tread on that path. So I'm hoping that this book will be a lot of help in my life. So the next book is Navaneel Chakraborty's Half Tone Hearts. This is also a thriller. I know there are too many thrillers on my TBRs this month, because why not? This is my birthday and thrillers are my favorite. So I have already reviewed a book, The Best Couple Ever by Navaneel Chakraborty on my channel, and that was for the recommendation for Valentine's Day. So if you want to check out the video, the link will be given in the description box below or at the I button above. So if you are interested, you can check them out. Okay, so the next book is Autobiography of a Yogi. Now, I got interested in reading spiritual books from the previous year when I read Om Swami's book, because that just completely blew my mind. And this year I have decided to read only one book, one spiritual book, and that is this book, Autobiography of a Yogi, because I have heard a lot about this book. This contains lot of information, and if I try to complete it in a haste, then I think that I will miss out on many points, and I won't be able to apply it in my life. So it's better that I go at my slow snail pace and enjoy the book, and just engross in it, take as much as it is possible, and just enjoy the experience of reading the spiritual journey. So yeah, if I think that I will be reviewing this book by the end of this year, and if you are interested, you can check it out too. So the next book is again an autobiography. It's a memoir by the creator of Nike, and I think that all of you must have guessed it by now. It's Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. So again, I have heard a lot about this book, and I have also started reading it. I have been only 60 pages into this book, and I'm just swept off my feet, because this is a book, it's very beautiful. I mean, when you are trying to listen to someone's story or read to someone's story as to how to make up a business on your own, and that too a business that make you a billionaire on this earth, and also the story has a free flowing nature, as if the creator of Nike is talking to me. So it's a very good book in a very simple and lucid language, and I think that everyone should get it on their TBR. Okay, so the next book is The Last Color by Vikas Khanna. Now I chose this book, first of all it's hardcover, and the color, this is so vibrant, so bright, and also I think this book is very much apt to read on the day of Holi, because anyways I won't be playing Holi in this corona situation. So also, if you don't know, that Vikas Khanna is a very good chef. He's a master chef actually, and this is his first book and has been also adapted into a major motion picture. So I think that I will enjoy reading this book, because this is also a twist of a murderous situation, and also there is a survival instinct, a friendship, a story of delicate friendship in this book, and also a promise-keeping incident of Choti, that because she wants to keep a promise of playing Holi with Noor. It's a small book, not too large. So I'll definitely review this book if I think that it's worth reading. So yeah, and just coming back to the last book on this TBR list, that is The Oath of Vayuputras. Now this book was bought a long time ago, but I couldn't read it. But after reading the two other books of Amish Tripathi, I have already reviewed them on my channel, so if you want, you can check them out on the I button above. So this is a very fat book, and I was just procrastinating because too many pages. This overwhelms me even now, but I will read this book and I'll definitely review this one, because I just can't stop thinking about Shiva after reading the first two books. So yeah, I think I'll enjoy reading this one as well. So that's it for today, guys. I think you loved all the books in this TBR list, and if you did, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Reading Between the Lines signing off for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, be happy and keep reading.